Domain name transfer is the process of transferring ownership of a domain name from the current holder to the new holder. Before transferring a domain name, ensure that the domain name is in a normal state, without disputes or disputes, and is not locked, such as .com, .top, and so on. If it is a person-to-person or business transfer, it is necessary to prepare the identity document of the new holder or the business certificate for the registered domain name. You also need to resubmit the real name authentication information. Next, the transfer party needs to obtain a transfer code. This code is the necessary credential for a domain name transfer and can usually be found in the registrar's administration panel. Once the transfer code is obtained, the transferring party can provide it to the receiving party. The recipient is required to enter this transfer code when initiating a transfer request with its registrar. This process ensures that only the rightful owner of the domain name can make the transfer. During the transfer process, both parties need to confirm some information. Recipients are required to provide their own registration information, including name, contact information, and address. This information must be accurate, as it will be used to update the domain as registration information. The transfer of a domain name usually takes anywhere from a few days to a week, depending on the speed of processing by the registrar and the degree of cooperation between the two parties. During the transfer process, both parties will receive the relevant confirmation email to ensure the transparency and security of the transfer process. It is worth noting that some top-level domains may not be able to be transferred again for 60 days after the transfer, which is to prevent frequent transfer behavior.